Good day, viewers. How are you there? I'm just showing you this video, a reflection of peace and freedom. So this is our nature. It's a truly astonishing, beautiful and wonderful. How long will this last? All of this creation will came from God. Though I'm just an ordinary people in this earth, living here together in this planet, this is the way how I show to this on this video that everything is life. It's about life, how to care, how to preserve, how to protect, and how to respect. So can we contribute to peace like this kind of video? It's a truly marvelous, isn't it? So my conclusion, help me to share this short video just to spread this message to anybody for the whole world. And let me say all together, bring peace.